Good morning, KP. Happy Thursday. So let's start with the calendar and count. Join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is today, but we call it the 7th. One of those digraph sounds at the end, right? Say this with me on the blue. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Great. Speaking of numbers, let's move on to this one. You know that we've left off at 33, so let's count on from 33. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That's right, 38 no school days. Looking over here at the weather, well, looking outside my windows, I have a little mix going on up there. Sometimes we call those days partly. So when you're looking outside your windows, are you seeing partly sunny, partly cloudy? Again, depending on what time also that you watch this. So I'm going to leave the blank spaces, and then you would also sort of say the temperature, how it feels out there. It's not really cold anymore. That was when we had jackets and snow pants and all of that. So think about what it is you would say as far as today's temperature would be. All right, here we go with the purple. The weather today is blank and excellent. All right, I'm going to read you the morning message and listen up because it has to do with what's going to happen later today with Zoom. So here we go. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. We will begin our new Thursday small group Zoom meetings. Remember that from now on, this will take the place of our large group on Thursdays. All right. So that means, we'll still have our big group on Tuesday so everybody gets to see each other. And then we'll have the smaller groups starting today on Thursday. What I'm going to send you today actually goes along with what we're doing in those small groups. So 2 things, really. I sent this yesterday. So if you haven't had a chance to print out your own copy or make your own version, it's not a very long book of Mrs. Wishy-Washy and all those animals. Try to do that and have it printed out by the time of your group meeting. That's one of the things we're going to talk about in that meeting. But on today's morning message, there was actually a big poster on the KP wall. And when you see this picture that I'm going to send by an attachment, you're going to recognize going, that was in the, heading out the door in KP up on the left. So look at that. You're going to notice all the foundations, cards with the keywords, and on the bottom row, you're going to see all those digraphs in that particular order that I'm always showing when I'm doing those foundations videos. So I'd like you to find a way to get that printed out or at least look at it, because Miss Sellers has made this beautiful chart and she's going to be coming on to all the Google Meets as well. And we're going to be doing some things having to do with foundations. So that I can't send you. You'll just see that when your group joins. So do those other things. I'll be sending this along, so you'll have it to get a little bit prepared, but I also gave you those reminders of what we're going to be doing today during those small group meetings. And remember, we're also going to count in each small group, just so everybody knows. Remember I told you about these yesterday if you watched it. In here is some candy, and it was in honor of Miss Sellers' birthday yesterday. So we'll have to sneaky sing for her today too in each group, okay? And Miss Sellers is so sweet and these are called Starbursts. So I put them in for her honor of her birthday, but we're going to count them on our Thursday one. All right, I look forward to seeing you all in those small groups a little bit later this morning. Bye.